Good morning. I did a shower yesterday to make sure I was cleansed for the train, and but anyways, so yeah, we're heading off. It is still very dark outside, but thankfully it won't be that dark when we get to Munich. In fact, it won't even be dark when we get to Mannheim, because we have a transfer. We have a 7-minute transfer. Thankfully, Mannheim has 8 tracks, I think. It looks like it only does. Or 8 platforms.
Yeah.
4 tracks.
Yeah. Also, the Mannheim connection is already 4 minutes delayed.
Ah. Klassische Deutschebahn.
Yeah.
Alright, I brought the camera's charger also, because I'm probably going to get a lot of stuff on the trip there, because train during the day. And then I'm going to want, I don't know how, again, I'm not storyboarding at this point. I'm just going to film as I feel is cool and necessary, and I'd like to be able to have the power. It is a 5-hour battery, though. Come on, focus, dipshit. Got my morning coffee. Aaron got morning coffee. And our train is... Wow, that's bright. Yeah. We have to get off at Mannheim after Frankfurt Flughafen. Yep. Here it comes down the line. Oh God, this is going to be the one that we used to say. Here comes Deutsche Bahn, here comes Deutsche Bahn, like that. Because we're going to Utrecht. So, so we're on that morning ICE train. Wow. I mean, not this early. Oh no, it would be this early.
Either one, yeah.
Baby show. Yeah, we're here early enough. The train doesn't leave till 7:38. It is 7:15. There's 38. So you said 39? Okay.
Yep.
We're down there. We'll get situated. We're still in the Netherlands, barely. We're obeying a speed limit. Once we pass into Germany, I think we'll have to switch over to, well, it'll be normal, but we'll just like have a get onto better tracks, and then they'll floor it. We'll be ready to get like 300 or something. But right now, we're at a crawl. Yeah. The train filled up in Utrecht, so a couple more got on it. Set off from Bosch, but that was the last stop. I'll probably, once we head into Germany, I'll probably head up to the food car and maybe get another coffee. And maybe a cookie or something. I don't know, something. I don't know what they have.
Yeah.
We've been holding it about 100 kilometers an hour. I'm not sure, because I know that the high-speed line goes from Arnhem, but we didn't come out of Arnhem, we came out of Venlo. But Aaron got types of bread with sausen. but owned by Samson. Oh, I'll take the one for the seeds. Oh, that's very. Yeah, you can have that because you like the white. And then there's twee croissants.
Yeah.
Croissant. Croissant. Yeah, look. Silos. And wind turbines. And a nuclear power plant. Can you guys see them back there? Maybe? At least they're giant cooling towers. At least. Window is very dirty. Ice, baby.
1122 platform 7. ICE to Vienna via Bonn, Koblenz, Mainz, Frankfurt, Central and Nuremberg, departure 1056 platform 9.
Not gonna lie, that thing kind of scared me.
Local train to Cologne.
I turned around and I saw that thing sitting up in the sky. I was like, holy shit.
Local train to Koblenz via Cologne, train to 9, 27 Neuwied, 500 pounds, 11 platform 3. Local train to Minden via Düsseldorf, Duisburg, Essen, Dortmund, and Hamm, departure 700
We are in
pounds, 11 platform
Cologne.
9. And local train to Aachen via Horb, International Steuerberg, departure 16 minutes past 11, platform 9. We thank a bunch of our partners for leaving our train. Thanks for choosing our international Verkehr 1. Find next of our train, Cologne Central. Der Betrag gibt den Jagdfahrt hier in Köln und voraussichtlich ist 10:55 Uhr. Wir gucken hier noch mit einem zweiten Zugteil.
But apparently, we're already a little delayed by 2 minutes. I don't really care about that much. But
Jagdfahrt, wie gesagt, gegen 10:55
Yeah, I think we're actually
der Standzeit
22
8
minutes
auch hier
late now.
aufgefällt. Und persönliche
No.
und die Stadttasche, die wir nicht so reinsteigen und ihren Gepäck wieder
going in,
aufsteigen.
getting into Mannheim, we're only
Let
2 minutes.
up.
Yeah, we're supposed to arrive there. Supposed to arrive at 12:23. God, it just keeps talking. But the one that you have says that the
Operation now, the departure time in Cologne is 10:55. Please watch your luggage and the person belonging to our pickpockets here in Cologne Central. Thank you.
Attenzione, pickpocket! But the train leaving here from Mannheim is delayed by 20 minutes.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's a 12. We used to have 12:23 to 12:30. Now we have 12:25 to 12:52. And we still have like an hour and 37 minutes until Mannheim. And then we change trains. And then it's straight on to Munich. But we'll see other cities on the way. Like, it goes through Stuttgart and stuff, but once we get towards Mannheim, we're gonna have to shuffle around and figure out where our train is and whatnot. The bread was good. The honey was a little tart. Like, it wasn't nearly as sweet as I expect from the States. But the butter was, And how was the croissant?
It was good. It was substantial, which I didn't expect. I expected just light and fluffy, but it had stuff to it. It was, yeah.
We are zooming along the countryside. We just left Bonn, and Cologne. The countryside. Feldorpius. It's been like almost 3 hours since we got on the train. We've gone, I don't know if I trust that though, 124 kilometers.
Yeah, I don't trust that.
now. Sorry. Forgot. Oops. Last call. Snoo. Did you bring your yak tracks? I would think that downtown would be fairly okay.
Yeah.
It's just that once you get a lot of snow, sometimes the snow gets piled up and it's hard to, especially when it's in a valley like this. Yeah, I'm sitting backwards and we're at the very end car. You know, with the countryside going by that fast, covered in snow, it really feels like Snowpiercer.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Information zu ICE 595 nach München Hauptbahnhof über Stuttgart Hauptbahnhof. Abfahrt
The Intercity Hotel.
Heute circa 45 Minuten später und von Gleis 8. Ich wiederhole, ICE 595 nach München.
It dropped us off at platform 8, which is where we need to catch our train in 20 minutes.
Last time I checked it was 42 late.
Oh. Yeah, see. So, wait, I'm checking here. We're getting the 1331 to Munich?
Yeah. No, the 12:30 to Munich.
Oh, okay, which is going to be over there. Okay. So, I was reading this, which says Munich. Come on, focus. But if you see over there, this tiny little square right next to the clock also says Munich, but an hour earlier. So that's where I was getting confused.
So yeah, the 12:30 to München is going to be leaving at currently 13:12.
As soon as the trains leave, I'll show you guys more, but we're kind of boxed in right now for sights. I mean, you want to see a train and a bridge, train tracks and bridges, and then more Deutsche Bahns, more Deutsche Bahns. No push buttons.
One push button.
No push buttons. Well, we have time. I'm going to go exercise my feetsies, and I'm just going to walk to the other end of the platform. I'm just going to go, right, let's see, is it A, B, C, D? Yeah, we're just going to walk that. So I think our train coupled on to another one, because when it departed, there was a whole extra little womp, but we only had one.
Yeah.
So I think it perhaps Cologne. I love the fact that it's like the dude that was speaking English, he spoke a third, said Cologne. When he was speaking German, he went Köln. When he was speaking Dutch, he was like Köln. Just like, when you hear the German and then you hear the Dutch, it really does sound like the Dutch are just mocking German.
Is that a mockingbird? Is it a mockingbird?
Is it a mockingbird? Oh my god, are we in cool? Oh my god, are we in cooling? Yeah, but I don't think this place has like a restaurant area. I think it's just literally like go downstairs, exit.
Yeah.
So
It's looking pretty. Maybe over there, but
no, that looks like a parking structure.
yeah.
But yeah, this is Mannheim.
And not a steamroller in sight.
Yeah, I know, right? Look at all those trains! Look at all those tracks, look at all those wires, look at all those trains!
Look at all those airplanes.
Yeah. But this reminds me of Zoud.
Yeah.
With like the skyscrapers and the freeway right there and the train thing. Except Zoud has like chops. At least has an appy.
Yeah.
I mean, we could always go down and check. It's not like we have to be forced to check out, to my knowledge. But drinks would be nice. Like if it was only going to be like 20 minutes, but we're going to be here for... Okay, so there's the thing to the trains. Yes, this is a mall. They have Asian food, Yormas, I'm not sure what that is. Most likely drinks, and this could be like a quasi Fabo. That's how you get out apparently, and McDonald's.
And a crowbar.
Remember, you don't have to do that G. It's Crowbag. Crowbag.
Yes.
Crowbag. But I think these are looking real good. The K's approaching.
Yeah.
So they aren't warm, but are you focusing? There we are. I mean, it's not the deep fried frikandel, is it?
It might be.
This
But it's wide instead of long.
Yeah, this is mine. It has nuts, bread, cheese, and pickle. No Zemph, but whatever. The problem is my American kicks in when I want to have a Dutch breakfast. So it's not just a piece of bread with a slice of cheese folded in half. It's a whole loaf of bread and a block of cheese. Okay, we're on our train. We're leaving Mannheim on our way to Munich. Swanky seats. Like a whole ass, like I could sit here. Yeah, things.
I thought that I'd have to push the button, not just touch it.
Oh yeah, yeah. Anyways, the stop contact is very ziellos. Ja.
Dann gehen wir einfach weiter.
So, wir begrüßen alle neuen zugestiegenen Gäste hier.
Afternoon. We're leaving Ulm.
Schönen guten Tag und herzlich willkommen im ICE der Deutschen Bahn nach München. Mein Name ist Jürgen Weiß, wir fahren und Wünsche stehen mein Team und ich in die
Stuttgart was a dead end road. Like everything came in and then would leave. Den Haag is the same way. Other stations are, but unlike many of the other ones I've been to.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome aboard the ICE to Munich. My name is Jugendmeister. If you have any questions, my team and I will be glad to assist you.
That
Next stop is train will be in Augsburg, arrival time today at about
is huge.
3:20. I will inform you about your next connecting service ahead of time.
I took a little bit of a nap because with the first train was kind of kicking me up and whatnot. But this is real first class seating, and plus I can have my head supported. I didn't fully fall asleep. I don't think. But yeah. Yeah, we're down in Bavaria now. Right. Yeah. The Houston is getting very. I can hear them every single time. It's like. Yoy, yoy, yoy. It's a bit nippy in this station, but I mean, that's the outdoors.
Yeah. 4 p.m.
That would be the bell. I know it's 4. We got to get and check into our hotel. They're gonna think we abandoned it. I don't know, can you guys see the... Yeah, this train is 16 cars long?
Yeah, I think so.
At least 13 if they start at 1, because we were in 11.
Yeah.
And you can see there's one car from like right there all the way to there. And then there's 2 more down there. And it... Jesus!
Yeah.
Let's get to the hotel and check in. Now that I'm not in a train, I can actually take the jacket off my saddle. I'm not cramped. I can apparently drop it too. Well, there's there's a siren. I mean, we are actively downtown.
Yeah.
Like, oh my God, this is not like the ones in Stockholm. We can actually open the whole ass window. Yeah, the Hauptbahnhof is right there. Like, yeah, you can see the word Hauptbahnhof right there. We came out that little door with the fries cart there, and they are doing a massive amount of construction, and those pigeons are doing everything and clinging to life on the edge of a brick straight across.
Yeah.
But yeah, it's kind of icy and really snowy, and yeah. Anyways, there's a television. There's our 2 beds that it'll work. Ventilator, fan. Did you open it?
Yeah.
The vertical way? Okay. We're gonna have to issue the fact that yeah. Lights are on the outside. Yep. Oof. Okay. But yeah. It'll work, but it's not the best. If I want a what? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
It'll be a miracle if he doesn't hit his head once, especially coming out of the shower. He gets weirdly disoriented after sudsing up a bunch. Just, it's not perfect, but it works.
Yeah.
And if anything necessary, if we're absolutely freezing, we can put up the bath and soak our feet.
Yeah.
Well, not me, but just soak the feet. Because that was part of the issue the other day. What you running for? Oh, the bus. No, there's another one. There's the typical black person. What you running for? Should I be running? Shit. And they look back to see where the person ran from, and they see whatever they see. So yeah, it is all room. It does have an air filter though. That's nice. Or a fan of sorts. But that'll be a little better. The lighting in here could use a bit. Oh, that turns that off. Okay. Oh, got the cubby right there. Even I feel like ducking under that, and I'm perfectly gonna pass.
Yeah.
But I also noticed that Germans, especially down here, are a lot shorter. I'm starting to feel tall. I don't feel tall in the Netherlands.
Yeah.
I feel a little on the short side, but this much give from like eye view, like Aaron is definitively tall because I look at his neck. But like if I'm looking at someone's nose because they're just that little bit taller than me, I don't consider that overbearing.
Yeah.
But here, the ladies are coming up to here or they're coming up to here, and I'm like, holy shit. So yeah, I don't know what we're gonna do, but we're gonna figure something out here soon. I just need to get my shoes off because I've had them on for so long and they're new. Okay, so there's a restaurant right outside our place, and since it's like icy and stuff, we're not gonna worry too terribly much. We've had a day today. Yeah. They've had a lot of pizzas and it's already like dark. We can get a start tomorrow at like 9, then we can go see stuff. But yeah, they have like duck. They have cheese space. Like I'm curious about that.
Hello. Hello. Can you may like something to drink?
Got a pretzel appetizer. Got beer. Got beer. Aaron's gonna get
The Schnitzel Brewmaster style.
and I'm gonna get that. Not that. That. Ooh. No. Yes. And it's called pizza bread. It's not actively that hot, but definitely an appetizer. Definitely. So it's basically like a baked tortilla. So it has like bubbles in it, but it's got like olives and herbs on it. Oil and herb on it. Not butter, just oil.
Yeah.
But it's just a little bit of bread. And a little bit of flavor profiles to get the tongue just going like, can I have some more, please? More? More? So, for those that may not know, this is cheese spitzle. Käse, Gasspätzle. It's just what it is. And Aaron has
Fried potatoes with
schnitzel.
pork schnitzel. And slaw of some kind.
What's the middle thing?
Au basically. Thin.
Okay. Okay, it is now 6:30. This place is picked up for dinner, obviously. We are now eating dessert.
Yes.
Aaron has tiramisu with the mint leaf. The ladyfinger is on top.
And a strawberry.
And a strawberry. And I have chocolate pudding mousse in a berry surrounding sauce. It's called chocolade or chocobats. And Aaron's is
Tiramisu.
oh, okay.
Amazing.
All right, this is really poor lighting, but there's actually a really bright light for the desk. But if I set it down here, you guys are looking straight up my nostrils because I don't have a good light on top of my computer. But anyways, so the food. We showed you guys the food, but we didn't get to, I didn't want to like have a whole vlog inside the busy restaurant, and I know Germans with the privacy, so I was trying to keep as little as possible. What did you think of your actual, I can't turn this much.
It was really tasty. The potatoes were crispy, but also kind of chewy, but good. The schnitzel was schnitzel. It was good.
Okay.
It wasn't the most amazing thing I've ever had, but it was good schnitzel.
Yes. I mean, yeah. We did not go to the McDonald's of Bavaria. We might, because there's a sandwich there that I think Aaron might like, but I don't know if it's a breakfast or not.
It appears to be a breakfast sandwich.
Okay.
Which will be...
We'll call it the McRoasty. Rotsy or whatever.
Yeah.
So my Käsespätzle was... It's basically... So, to give the best idea is... It's gnocchi. It's a potato noodle instead of like a pasta noodle. And they're in little like oyster cracker shapes, kind of. Like they're definitively, they're either like this diamond shape or they're a little rounder. But they're not supposed to be of a shape. They're just supposed to be like, you put gnocchi in water and you boil it and then you sort of pull it out and it comes back. But the cheese, like Aaron was watching me just like chewing, like it had the perfect kind of cheese that you would expect on the pizza that can just stretch for miles.
Yeah.
I just kept shoveling cheese into my mouth as little, yeah.
I wanted to grab a piece of the spätzle, but I also, wanted to keep my fingers.
Yeah. And then the chocolate mousse was chocolate mousse, pudding stuff. And the other stuff was, and tiramisu was tiramisu.
Yeah.
The berries were very, very berry.
Yeah.
Like they took a little bit of chocolate mousse pudding and said, oops, all berries.
Yeah, the tiramisu was... It was good, but not rich like I expected it to be.
Yes, like a homemade, wherever tiramisu's from. Turkey? Italy? Wow, I thought it was from Turkey. Anyways, but a homemade Italian one will probably taste a little bit richer and fuller with Mama's love. This is a restaurant that I was looking at the entrance to the Hauptbahnhof.
Yeah.
Like, it's a nice restaurant, but I'll say this much. For a restaurant that can look at a train station, it was far better than that stupid one in London.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever the... It gave no impressions. The moment I saw it, I was like, we need to eat there because all the Brits talk about eating there.
Oh, Nando's.
Nando's. And then we ate there and was like, this is trash. This place, really good.
Yeah.
We didn't even have the pizza. We went there because we knew that if there was something too fancy on the menu, like way too much liverwurst or Leberkäse, for some reason, then we could just order pizzas like we would from Mama Do's. But that's the end of today. It is only 7 o'clock, but but it got dark. We've eaten, and I need to lay down because I didn't sleep much, and I only had like a halfy nap because the fucking teener in the back, 2 rows back, was coughing up like he had typhus or something.
Yeah.
Oh, I just have a cold. Bro, that is more than a cold. And you should probably be wearing a face mask in public transport if you're going to be coughing that much. Because that is one thing. Like, I could hear the sharpness of his coughs. He was not blocking anything with those coughs. So, yeah, that's our day. Yeah. Tomorrow will probably be better. I've been staring at a metro map. Yeah. Oh shit, there's a backside.